Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be going straight to the point, and we are going to be talking about how you can be able to buy Telegram stars without having to go through any hassle or without having to go through any form of verification. You understand? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel I make content about cryptocurrency, videos about cryptocurrency, how you can actually be able to go around cryptocurrency and be able to resolve some parts of your problem, and also how to make money in the crypto space as a whole. Please, if you do enjoy this type of content, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It literally means the whole world to me. Okay, so do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to like the video to actually keep me motivated to make more educational videos like this one. Right now, let's get started on how you can actually be able to do this. You click right here guys on the three dots, you scroll down, you come over here to the setting, and you scroll down again. This is where your star balance actually shows up. So this method is actually recommended for people that are finding it very difficult to actually be able to pass through the KYC process of fragment.com. So over here guys, yesterday being the 2nd of December, I shared this update about this particular bot right here, where we can actually be able to get some stars very easily without having to go through any hassle. So right now over here, this is the update. I will also be leaving the link to this bot where you buy Telegram stars on the video description. Okay, so please remember, do well to make your own research before you engage into this. I am in no way a financial advisor. Please, if you do not find this content interesting, please do well to scroll out and maybe go and search for other videos of yours. But this video is to help people that are actually finding it very difficult to pass through the KYC process of fragment.com. And right here, let's now go straight into the business of the day on how you can actually be able to do this. So right now, to start with, you click the link on the video description, and over here, this is where you are going to be taken to. Let me first of all clear this out, and of course, let's start everything afresh and clear history. Boom. So right now the history is cleared, and immediately you click on the link, which is going to be on the video description. You are going to be taken to this bot right here, where you can actually get some Telegram stars. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is simply go ahead and of course click on menu and click on start. Once you click on start, this is what you're going to be seeing. But on my later videos, I'm going to be making a video to actually compare this bot called StarSolve and fragment.com. I'm going to be comparing two of them, and I'm going to be telling you guys the differences, and I'm going to be telling you guys the reasons why you need to use StarSolve and also the reasons why you need to use fragment.com. Okay, so right now, but that's going to be on my later video, not on this one. All right, so right now, to be able to get yourself some Telegram stars, as you all know, this is not something you can go ahead and proceed with if you don't have what it takes. Okay, so right now they say, welcome, via this book you can purchase Telegram stars without KYC verification. So right now, let's try it out. Let's see how it works. Enter the number of stars you want to buy and continue. So right now, let's now buy like maybe 100 stars like this. Let's buy 100 stars, and okay, right now I'll click on send. So this is going to be loading up right now, and it's going to be asking me the way that I need to make my, you need to bring something for you to get the Telegram stars. So I can either use ton or I can use USDT. So okay, my favorite means of this of going through this is ton. So right now I need to select ton like this, and right now I have selected ton, and the next thing is that they are going to give me this detail right here. Of course, this is my username of Telegram, automatically detected, and over here guys, you can see this is going to be valid for only 15 minutes. This means that you have only 15 minutes for you to actually do all you need to do right here. So they give you the details that you need to take and be able to complete this action. For example, you can see the network that I selected is tone, and over here this is the amount of tone that I actually need to make available into this address that is given to me before they can be able to send the tone to my account. So I'm going to be doing everything here live, and you are going to be seeing how it works. Okay, but one of the most important thing that you actually need to put in mind is that you need to use this comment, this memo, while making the transfer of ton. Okay, so right now you will see how I'm going to be doing it right now. So they gave us this address, and for me to be able to get 100 stars, I need 0.260568 ton before I can be able to do this. Now let me show you guys how you get the Telegram stars right now before you go ahead and make any mistake. Okay, so right now you can see they give us notes right here. They say send the exact, mark this word exact, you need to send everything, including everything right here. Send the exact amount to the specified address, which is this address. Be sure to include a comment when transferring. This is the comment right here, this is the number right here. You see I'm going to be doing it right now, otherwise the payment will not be successful. Proceed by copying this wallet address. Once I've copied it, then right now I will need to go to my wallet. I'm using Tone Hub, and right here I have a couple of ton right here. What I need to do is simply go to send, and once I get here to send, I need to paste the address right here, and I click on save. Then I need to insert the amount of ton that I actually need to do. So what you need to do for you to proceed successfully, simply come right here. You need to copy this like this. Once you have copied it, you come right here and you paste it. I believe you are seeing exactly how I am doing it. All right, so this is going to be equivalent to 1.73 USDT. So right now I'll click on save, and right now this is where you need to be very careful at, so that you don't get to make any mistake. You go back to the bot, you go ahead and copy this number. You make sure you can see this is the number, this is the comment. If you do not include this comment, you may not be able to succeed. Okay, so right now you need to include it right here, and right now we are good to go. So that is the comment. You click on save, and right now the next thing you need to do is simply go ahead and of course proceed. Okay, you click on continue like this. Then right now you need to go ahead and of course click on confirm. So you need to insert your code right here real quick, and of course we are going to be receiving our ton from there. It is very simple as this. Okay, so right now you need to wait until the payment is through. You can see right now it is done. Right now you need to go back to the app like this. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, so you need to just give it a couple of minutes, and of course this is going to be going through right now. Okay, and right now you can see that you can see what I have right here. Automatically it has appeared and received payment was successful because I have actually made it. So star will be sent shortly. You can see they gave us a note right here that this will actually take about 30 minutes. So right now we need to wait for a couple of minutes until we receive the notification that everything is now okay and we need to proceed from here. Okay, and it seems I got a notification right here. It seems like I got a notification. So right now I need to go back. Let me check out the notification that I got right now. Let me see what it was there. So right now you can see this is it, and this is the notification that I got right now, 11:28 p.m. and of course that is the exact time right now, 11:28. Okay, that's the exact time right now. So right now you can see that we have actually received something, and over here you can see this is it right here. Unknown user sent you a gift for 0.23 ton. Okay, you can see over here I have received my 100 stars right now. So it didn't even take up to 10 minutes before this actually arrived. And right now let's go ahead and check out our balance right here. And of course when I click right here guys on setting, you can see our balance has actually changed right now, and you can see it right here that this is actually coming from, I can say this is coming from fragment.com because this is the logo right here, but I'm not really sure about that. Okay, so right now you can see the guys that we have received 100 stars right here. So, and that is simply how easy it is for you to actually get some Telegram stars without having to go through all the verification processes right there on fragment.com. All right, so if you find this video very interesting, let me know what you think on the comment section, and most importantly, do not forget to actually subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet. Remember, all the link is going to be on the video description of this video. Do well to join us on Telegram, and I will talk to you guys very soon. So do well, follow this process. If you do not understand anything before you proceed, please go ahead and rewind the video to watch it carefully. What I need you to put in mind before doing this is simply make sure that you actually transfer the exact amount of ton, make sure that you copy the exact address that they gave to you, and most importantly, make sure that you copy the exact comments that they give to you, because through your comments they are going to be able to verify that you have actually made the necessary requirement, you have actually met the necessary requirements required for you to actually receive the ton. So these are the three major steps that you need to put in mind before you proceed with this step, and this is simply how you buy or how you get Telegram stars without having to go through the verification processes, or without having to go through fragment.com. Remember, I'm going to be making a video to compare fragment.com and starsoft to actually be able to clarify you guys more, and you'll be able to decide the one you need to use between the two. Thank you so much, guys, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon.